The gas oven igniter is the single most replaced oven part. If your gas oven won't heat, this is almost certainly what you need. Types of igniters: flat igniters and round igniters. Flat igniters are rectangular shaped and used in most modern ovens. Round igniters are older style, shaped like a small disc. Check what your current igniter looks like before ordering. How to find your specific igniter: get your oven model number from the label on the door frame. Enter it into a parts lookup site. Search for oven igniter and you'll get the exact part. Cost: $15 to $45 for the part. Flat igniters are usually cheaper. Some premium brand igniters cost more. Common part numbers: Whirlpool 124000035, GWB13K21, Samsung DG94-00520A, LG Me 630849001. Universal igniters: there are universal flat igniters that fit many ovens. Norton 501A is a popular universal option. However, we recommend model-specific OEM igniters for guaranteed fit and performance. DIY difficulty: moderate. You need to remove the oven bottom panel, disconnect the old igniter wiring, remove 2 screws, install the new igniter, and reconnect. The trickiest part is handling the new igniter gently. The ceramic element is fragile and can break if dropped. Safety: always turn off the gas supply to the oven before replacing an igniter. Oven igniters available: Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.